type it in, Google's your friend, bruh. 14-year drug dealer and still counting. Who deserves the medal of freedom is my accountant.
And it certainly was a little rough around the edges, but for me, the idea of owning and having something that you could rather guiltlessly go out and drive just sounded wonderful.
New EV project?
I just hop up the land. I just hop up the land.
At this point, I would consider myself the Dr. Frankenstein of Teslas.
I just hop up the land.
This Lamborghini Aventador with twin Tesla performance motors, front and rear. It's a four-wheel drive.
And there's 16 of these. Each has its own individual section that kind of lives in isolated firewall from the next one.
We got this Aventador right here, crazy project. As you can see, I'm holding this very dirty flare because we are cutting the car up right now. This is the flare that's going to go on the back right here. This is going to be the Liberty Walk wide body kit.
Yo, I just hop up the down. I just ice on my couch. Down. I spill a pint in my mouth. Moon reflects on my pirate ship. Now wait. I just ice on my lighthouse. Who him? It's the butterscotch boss. Whole body covered in gold. Wait.
This is uncharted territory. This is cutting edge. This is the future.
My opinion on this car, this is probably one of the most craziest things we've ever done. Detail and color, it's wild. I mean, there's nothing like this out there, so.
This is not air suspension. As you guys already know, air suspension I'm not the biggest fan of, so this has Novatec lowering springs on there that we adjusted for perfect ride height. There is zero rubbing on this car, which is crazy, and the lifter still works. We went through crazy areas in downtown, and honestly with the lifter, it's clearing everything, so.
Hey, yeah. Been in my bag, the drag, I'm feeling jet lagged. Hey, yeah. Came back for vacation, I ain't unpacked, cause I'm going back, facts. Ooh, double the racks, TD the bank, you see these blank, the Cuban is linked, smoking that dank.
Oh no! Fuck.
I will fix it. I will fix him. I do with him very quickly and then with you.
Yeah. Damn. I just hop up the land. Damn. I just hop up the land. Damn. I just hop up the. Damn. I just hop up the. Damn. I just hop up the land. Damn. I just hop up the land. Damn. I just hop up the. Damn. I just hop up the.